It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have my icon box. This is the first icon box for 2025. So this is a quarterly subscription from IPSY, and this box now costs $65, which I couldn't believe, because I'm like, well, wait a minute. At first, when it first started, it was $58, then it went to $60. Now it's $65. You get up to $350 worth of makeup products, skincare products. It could be perfume, tools, a variety of different things you can get. So this box has 8 products inside, and again, the value goes up to $350. So we're going to go ahead and check out what I got in my icon box. They do let you pick. I think I picked, did I pick like 3 or 4 things? I don't remember. I think I picked like 3 or 4 things. I know they picked some things for me, but I remember picking a lot of stuff too. So yeah, we're just going to get right in here, and I'm going to show you guys what I got in my icon box for 2025. First one. And this box this month is curated by Gabrielle, and I love her and all her different movies that she's been in. And I think she's pretty funny and quirky, her and her husband and their family. So yeah, she's curated this month's box, so we'll see how her influence has made a difference on the products that we got this month. So let's get right into this thing. This box is pretty big, so let's move this along. So guys, our first item I have beauty tools. So we have Shades by Shan, and this is their brush set collection. So this is vegan brushes here. It says multi-use, cruelty-free, includes crease, blend, detail blend, lid, and precision blend. So these are all going to be brushes you're going to use for your eyeshadow. So this is valued, guys, at $35. I love getting brushes, because doing this YouTube thing, you go through like, I don't know, maybe it's just me that's going through like 10 or 15 brushes when I do my makeup for YouTube. It could be me. So these are our brushes, and again, they actually have on here what each brush is. So this is the blend brush here. We have, what is this one? This is the detailed blend brush. We have the crease brush right here, so you blend out your crease with this. And we also have this one is for the lid. And we have one more. We have precision blend. So these are like 5 brushes you would use for eyeshadow. They seem very, very soft. The bristles are very, very soft. And this is valued at $35, and they are supposed to be super soft synthetic brushes, and they are supposed to help you achieve your flawless style or your look effortlessly with these precision brushes. So yeah, if you like brushes, they're all very soft. They feel a bit firm, not too hard, but they feel like it could move the product. So Shades by Shan is a brand that has been in IPSY BoxyCharm-ish for a while. So normally I get makeup from them or something else, but this is the first time I got beauty tools from them, so that's cool. So let's go on to our next item in our box. So the next thing I'm pulling out, looks like we have a LYS product. This is Skin Loyalty. This is their Blur Mattify Set and Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, so I like LYS. I'm familiar with using their makeup, but we've been getting a lot more different things from them. So this is the first time I would say I've gotten the setting spray. I have never used this before, so I'm very curious to see how it works. So this product here, the LYS Setting Spray, this is how it looks outside of the box. This is valued at $25, guys. It says lock your look in place with this skin smoothing superfine setting spray. So this is supposed to give you a flawless all day look, which is great. Let's try some now, why not? Oh, it is very fine. Yeah, it's very fine. So is this supposed to dry down pretty quick? I'm assuming I done did like 6 or 8 sprays We shall find out momentarily as we go through this video, right? So again, the setting spray is valued at $25, and this is via the brand LYS. So I can't, wait to see how this performs. But let's go on to our next item. So the next thing we have a viral product. We've been seeing this a lot more in the box recently. So this is the viral oat yogurt moisturizer barrier cream. You guys are not going to believe the price on this one. This is valued at $106. So this is a moisturizer essentially. So let's pull it out the box to show you. So this is how it comes. This is some very nice packaging, I must admit. This is very fancy feeling. I love a good moisturizer, and it does have the little lid there, and that's what we got. So this product here is supposed to reduce redness and calms your skin. It's also supposed to smooth out the dryness. It's supposed to also make you have a very more resilient looking complexion. So again, this is valued at $106 for a face cream. So this is I'm assuming priciest item in the box here. And this is a 1.69 fluid ounces if you want to know how much we got. But yeah, very fancy packaging here for Biro. So I love moisturizers. We'll see how I do. I don't need to worry about the redness. I just wanted to work for the dryness and kind of moisturize my skin. That's the biggest thing, especially in the winter time that I deal with, is like your skin drying out. So I need something with moisture, hydration. That's me. So hopefully this works. So we'll see. Let's go to our next item. Oh look, we got topicals. So this is the topicals brightening and clearing serum. So I've been wanting to try this topicals cream since forever, but for some reason I don't buy it. So I've heard about this product, and you guys probably heard about it too, that this helps with like fading marks on your face, like if you got acne blemishes. So it says this product here is supposed to like be able to fade your marks on your face in like as little as 2 weeks, which I think is phenomenal if it works. But yeah, I've been wanting to try this for like a very, very long time, and I don't know why I've never bought it. Probably because I'm inundated with products, and that's probably why I never bought it. But yeah, I've been wanting to try this, so I can't wait to try this product out. And as it would happen, I haven't had a breakout in a while, so I don't know when I'm gonna get to try it. But I'm sure I will have a breakout as the summertime comes in and it starts warming up and my skin gets oily. I'm sure there'll be a breakout that I can definitely try this product. But this product here is valued at $38 for this fade serum. So let me just show it to you what it looks like outside of the box, and then we'll go to the next thing. So this is what we have here for the topicals, and again, it's a fade cream. So if you got any dark spots, blemishes, you need to kind of have them move along very quickly. This is supposed to do a great job from what I heard. I've heard nothing but good things about this product, so I definitely can't wait to use this one. So let's go on to our next item here. We also got a First Aid beauty product. They're very much a normal brand we see in the box for the IPSY products. This is a big one though. This is the Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. And it's safe for sensitive skin. So it has on here KP, which is the Kellis Polaris. If you got the strawberry legs, anybody with the strawberry legs, I am a part of that club. So this is supposed to help kind of smooth out that chicken kind of skin, is what they kind of call it, like the roughness of the skin. So you're going to use this as a regular body scrub and make this a part of your shower routine. So this one here is valued at $30 for this product, and you get a lot. This is 8 ounces of this product, so this is a lot to try out. And it's supposed to smell like strawberry. I'm sure it has a safety seal. Yes, it has a but you do still smell it. It's a safety seal on it, guys, but you can still smell the strawberry scent coming through the packaging here. So yeah, it's a strawberry scent one, but yeah, this is for anybody that got some roughness, you need to kind of smooth out on your skin. This is for you. So I like this. And again, this is valued at $30. So let's go on to our next items in here. So I have a Rare Beauty product, and this is their Positive Light under eye brightener. And for some reason they gave me medium tan. My profile says that I'm dark. I don't see how this gonna work. This is why I probably don't have that great of an experience with the Rare Beauty stuff. I feel like I get Rare Beauty products, but they never come in shades that complement my skin tone well when I get them at IPSY. It's always some weird color that does not complement me that I cannot use. What am I going to do with this guy's medium tan on this skin? Even for under eye. I mean, really, what am I going to do? This is so light. I like really. I have no use for this. No use. Let me give you the information though. So this is the Rare Beauty Positive Light. This is valued at $24. So we're just gonna go to the next item since we can't use this one anyway. So the next thing I have, we have a NARS product, and we have a lipstick, a Power Matte lipstick, and the color I have is Killer Queen 102. Let's see what she about, y'all. Let's see what she about. Killer Queen. All right, you know we need business. We got the red, child. This is a red. Let me pull it out the tube so y'all can kind of see what it looks like. This is a nice red. I like these brick dark reds. They fit my complexion so well. These are perfect for me. Let me do a swatch on the back of my hand so you guys can kind of see how this color is. So again, this color that we received today is called the Killer Queen 102. So I think this is really nice. That's a nice red. A nice red. You can do a lot with that red. That red looks great on me. So this NARS matte lipstick is valued at $34. And yeah, matte meaning it'll stay on. It'll look kind of, you can build it up, play it down, add a little lip gloss. It'll work. I like that. So we are down to our last item, gang. We have the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and this is the Nouveau palette, and I love a good eyeshadow palette, child. And I'm a big fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills. I started with them with the brown stuff, so I love trying out their stuff. So we did get a mirror. I'm gonna fold it back so I can show you guys. So this is our palette, and I love these colors. These are so nice. I can't wait to play in these. I think this has that spring kind of vibe to help you kind of get ready for spring. I'm gonna just swatch a few, not a lot, because I don't want to be here swatching all night. So we'll just swatch a few. Let me grab some of the shimmers. So this one is Wings. That is a Wings. This one is Isle. So this Isle. And we have Belle, which is a brown. And we have Wisteria. You know your girl love purple, so yes to Wisteria. So these are a few of the swatches of the colors that we have in this box. And again, I just kind of went across the top row and did a few swatches just so you guys can get an idea of how the colors are. So I can't wait to play in this one. I may have to do a try on for this whole box so I can really show you guys how I kind of use everything in here. But yeah, guys, so we got all 8 products. We got this Anastasia Nouveau eyeshadow collection, and I'm really liking the swatches that we got out of this. This is really nice. I like that. This is valued at, I didn't even tell you how much this one cost. This one was $55 for this eyeshadow palette, and I think the colors are really beautiful. This is nice. I can play with all of these colors. This is really nice. Even the purple one looks great. Look at how the purple one looks. That looks great too. On my skin tone. I really like this palette. This is, I can't wait to play with this. This is nice. I like it. Me likey. Okay, gang. So in review, real quick, we're just gonna go through what came in my box. So we got the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. We got the Topicals Fade Cream. We have the NARS lipstick and matte. And this color is called Killer Queen 102 with the red. We have the First Aid Beauty. This is the Bump Eraser Body Scrub. We have the Rare Beauty that I can never ever use because they send me the wrong colors every single time. And we have the Biro, the serum, the moisturizer here in this fanciness that cost $106. We have the LYS setting spray here, and we have the Shades by Shan makeup brushes. This was a good box for me. I really liked everything in here except for one item that I can't use, so that's the only problem. Everything else in here was fine for me. If you guys picked up the icon box, let me know if you like the items that was in your box this month. What did you get? I would love to chat with you guys below and know what you got. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I next post. But guys, I'll go ahead and catch you on the next one. And I think I may have to come back and give you guys a try on with this box because it's a lot of good stuff in here. And I want to kind of try it out. I really want to play in this eyeshadow palette, child. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys have an awesome day. Bye.